Meron ka bang clear direction sa path mo sa buhay? Kung wala pa, okay lang yan. Clarity comes habang kumikilos ka. So here are the 4 personal development. It is from the ideas to action. Number 1, dream. Imagination mo sa work, yung gusto mo sa buhay, ito yung inspiration at desire mo. Number 2 is vision. Clear na picture kung ano ang magiging itsura ng dream mo pag na-achieve mo na ito. Ito yung long-term direction mo. Number 3, mission. Purpose mo sa buhay o reason kung bakit ka gumagawa. Paano ka magtatrabaho para ma-reach yung vision mo. Ito yung action at contribution mo. Number 4, goals. Ito ay yung specific at measurable steps para ma-fulfill mo yung mission at ma-achieve mo yung mission mo. Ito yung short-term practical achievements. This process help you turn your dreams into real result in life or work. Diba pansin nyo, all companies have mission and vision kasi it is very important na meron kang nilulook forward para mas kumilos ka to reach it and achieve it. Kung naliligaw ka, pause and reassess. Your path become clearer when you listen to your purpose. So make an inspiration, make a clear direction, make purpose and daily effort, make a concrete steps to achieve success.